It is uncommon for an offensive tackle to emerge as one of the best athletes on the field, but that is certainly the case whenever Oklahoma's Lane Johnson is in the lineup. The second-team All-Big 12 selection, played quarterback in high school before beginning his career at Oklahoma as a tight end and defensive end. He eventually moved to offensive tackle, where he impressed scouts with his athleticism and movement skills. He continued to rise up the charts after ranking as one of the top performers at the Senior Bowl and Combine. When I look at his overall potential and development, I can't help but compare him to the Patriots' Nate Solder. The former Colorado standout was selected with the 17th overall pick in the 2011 draft after transitioning from tight end to offensive tackle during his collegiate career. He started 13 games as a rookie and has developed into one of the top young offensive tackles in the National Football League. If Johnson can continue to refine his overall game, he could be a standout performer in the NFL early in his pro career. For more videos, check out NFL.com/pro comparison.